This week I'm testing the Toyota Granvia 8-seater people mover, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is there's really good storage throughout all rows of seats in the Granvia. In the front I love those dashboard cup holders and the really good sized bottle holders in all of the 3 rear rows. There's also fantastic aircon vents across all these rear rows in the ceiling and lights as well. Number 2 is the auto lock and unlock with the Toyota Granvia. It's been really handy this week so that when I've got my little girl with me, I'll keep my hands free for holding her hand. Number 3 are these sliding doors. Being such a big vehicle, it does fill parking spaces, so being able to slide the doors open instead of opening out into other cars is really great. The Toyota Granvia was a huge baby drive with my little family of 3 this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.